The proof walks you through step by step why a banana bread recipe must have an allergen labelling warning about nuts. You'll see this statement in a purple box. That's the final conclusion of the proof. If you click the less than symbol in the lower right corner of the box, you can start unfolding the proof tree. The first level shows that the conclusion comes from two statements. A banana bread recipe is a food recipe that includes a nut food product, in blue, and any food recipe that includes a nut food product must have an allergen labelling warning about nuts and products thereof, in green. The green statements are called axioms. They're accepted as true without needing a proof. You can ignore the grey boxes. They aren't important for this study. Let's take a closer look. A banana bread recipe is a food recipe that includes a nut food product is true because it is based on two facts. A banana bread recipe is a food recipe and a banana bread recipe includes a nut food product. The first one follows from an axiom saying that a banana bread recipe is a food recipe that must include the following essential ingredients: banana, walnut, etc. And from the simple rule that a food recipe that includes a banana, etc., is still a food recipe. The second one, a banana bread recipe includes a nut food product, comes from facts about banana bread containing walnuts. This idea comes from the axiom defining what a banana bread recipe is, along with the same kind of tautology as before. Finally, we also have an axiom stating that walnuts are nut food products. Put all that together and we get a clear explanation for the conclusion that a banana bread recipe must have an allergen labelling warning about nuts. To sum up, a proof is shaped like a tree. The green boxes at the top are axioms, the starting points. The blue boxes in the middle are deductions, steps we infer from the axioms, or simple statements like a food recipe with a banana is a food recipe. The purple box at the bottom is the final conclusion, which follows logically from everything above.